What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's good, guys? It's another beautiful Thursday, another beautiful day, blessed day. If you're watching this video, you're blessed. But I wanted to say shout out to Renee, love for just jumping in, man, in the Conversion Pro. So I definitely appreciate you locking arms with me. And also, guys, I wanted to share proof with you. Another $250 sale came in from the Fearless Momma. All right. So a lot of people might be saying, man, Jay, 250 is high, you know, but I wanted to kind of take you through something that I got planned. We're going to be working, and we're going to be talking a lot more on this, okay? We're going to be working on step one, okay? Step one is what's going to get you, is going to allow you to earn the funds to get into this program, okay? So that would be, so this is only if you don't have the 250 and you're good on your financials, you know, your credit's good, things like that. Then you're going to take a part of the phase number one, which is going to be myEcon, okay? myEcon is going to teach you a thing called income shifting, where we're going to put anywhere between $200 to $500 back into your check. Okay, no, not filling out, not filing exempt, none of that corrupt stuff. What we're saying is that we're going to show you how to unlock more allowances, so you can actually utilize more allowances now to get those deductions now to bring home more funds. Okay, so most people use those funds and they'll either invest it into stocks. They'll either invest it in the Forex. They'll do something that allows them to gain more income on top of their funds. Instead of putting it in a regular savings account where you're gaining under 1%, we're going to show you how to gain more than 1% with this program, okay, with your money. But some people are wanting to upgrade and get in higher ticket programs. So that's also a good thing that we're going to show you as well, because you know, most people, when they start their income shifting, where they fill out their W-4, where they go through the training and they redo their W-4, they bring home anywhere between $200 to $500 additional back in your paycheck. So that's why we say you can use those funds to go ahead and upgrade in the Fearless Momma, or you can use those funds to invest in other things. But either way it goes, it's going to be better for you and your family. Okay, so one sale for Fearless Momma is $250, 2 sales is $500, 3 sales is $750. There's no admin fees. You don't have to do any additional marketing systems if you don't have one. So, you know, they will follow up for you to at least get you going, okay? There is higher income streams as well attached to it. But, you know, we want you to work your way up to that, okay? So phase one, and this is for people that do not have the funds to get inside, definitely check out myEcon. I'm going to have the link right at the bottom. We're going to teach you income shifting, and also, besides that, we also teach you how to restore your own credit, okay? So those are going to be definitely some good things. Outside of that, just discounts that you're going to get, you know, that you're going to be able to have access to just for your normal day-to-day living that they offer as well, guys. So this is all about us, and this company's been around for over 13 years. So over 13 years, you know, they've been around helping people with debt elimination, also with credit restoration, you know. So pretty much, guys, the ball is in your park, okay? The ball is on your side, okay? So yes, I'm making money on mine. I'm making residual income, guys, and are you? Okay? So I'm gonna leave the links at the bottom. I want you guys to get involved, check it all out, and let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, guys, I look forward to speaking with you as well. So if there's anything or questions that you have, you know, that you want to have answered, definitely set up a time with me. I can reach out to you. We can definitely get all that squared away. All right, so this is your boy Jay. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video.